Let's take a look at Create an Algo Portfolio feature on the Modern Algos platform. Once you select Create an Algo Portfolio, enter your personal details and select the investment time horizon. Upon clicking Submit, our algorithmically driven system will suggest you the suitable equity baskets along with the minimum investment required. You can also increase the amount if you wish to do so. Upon clicking Start Investment, you will be redirected to the login page. Once you log in with your broker credentials, you can view the complete list of stocks to be invested in, along with their allocation. You can monitor their performance on a daily basis, and just by clicking on Execute Basket, you can execute the complete basket in a single go in the live market. To check the status of the basket executed, you can view it under Tradebook.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.